Hi, this is CJdropshipping. Get product information, accurate product display, latest trending news, and price comprehension all in one video. Are you looking for your winning products? After watching this video, you will know what to sell and scale up your store. Magnetic wireless charger. It is a portable Apple Watch wireless charger suitable for all Apple Watch series. It's a trouble-solving product for Apple users. Small and portable size can easy to hand on the keychain or put in the purse. Customers won't worry about expensive charger cost after losing it or forget at home. You can charge your watch anytime, anywhere. It supports both USB Type and Type-C. It is an evergreen product, easy to operate, has no seasonal or regional restrictions, can be sold all the year and to all the countries. It is suitable for electronic accessory niche store or general store. A sale with other Apple products or watch accessories can well increase the dropshipping value. Let's take a look at the Google trends. Wireless chargers' popularity of searching is keeping rising in the USA. Google also predicts that wireless charger popularity in Australia, France, and Germany will continue to grow shortly. This is also a strong proof of the popularity of these products. Move to AliExpress, we will find that there are many products of the same type above. Proven sale in Ali. If we check the price in Ali, $9.49 product price plus a 96 cents standard shipping cost. The total dropshipping price is $10.45. In CJ, we have blue and white two colors available. It costs $6.70, and the best shipping method is CJ package sensitive. Takes about 10 to 15 days to the USA and costs $6.05. The total dropshipping value is $12.22. It currently has 102 lists. Similar dropshipping price but with much faster delivery. Which one is your pick?